Welcome to this property brought to you by the experts at Coldwell Banker Holman Premier Realty in Klamath Falls, Oregon. For more information, be sure to visit coldwellbankerhbr.com or call 541-884-1343. Super unique and stylish stucco home in the Pacific Terrace area on a private street. This 2-bedroom 1-bath, with an additional bonus room downstairs, is located off of Pacific Terrace almost at the end of a dead-end street. With many updates and maintenance items recently done, including exterior stucco and paint, vinyl windows and screens, new Dura last roof done by Linkville Roofing, and updated electrical, to name a few. So many classic features with original hardwood floors, built-in cabinets and shelves, arched entries and nooks everywhere. Opportunities for additional bedrooms or living areas downstairs with access to the attached 1-car garage and outside entrance to the backyard. Large fenced backyard and very private feel with a vacant easement for utilities just past the property. Currently rented and could be a great home or investment property. Very neat home. Make an appointment today and call/text for more details.